Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're here because you're curious what comes in the June 2022 Macy's Beauty Box, then you're in the right place. Keep on watching. Alright, I am super excited but confused why this box is so late. I didn't even get an email until June the 21st when they said that the box is being shipped. Normally, this is the first box I unbox each month. In case anyone isn't aware, Macy's, yes, that Macy's, the department store who does the Thanksgiving Day Parade, they have a beauty subscription box. This bad boy costs $15 a month, and you get 5+ beauty products. They almost always tend to be travel size, sample size, deluxe sample. Every blue moon, we may get something full size, but for the most part, they're just travel size. And almost always, except not recently, you tend to get some perfume samples. All right, enough rambling. Let me see if I can't rip into this box. I'm struggling. Oh no, I got another one of these. That's 2 months in a row. It says, oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. But don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. Last time I did enjoy what was sent instead of what was planned. All right, this does come with a little booklet, spoiler. So we will save that for last. And ooh, this month I got a $10 off coupon. Comes with the lovely hot pink tissue paper. All right, first item. Oh yes, I think I know what this is. Please Beauty Dry Shampoo. This is from Klorane, and it is a shampooing sec. Why do I always go straight for the French? It was listed first. Dry shampoo, yay! I love getting dry shampoo. Oddly, considering I don't really care for hair care products, dry shampoo, I love. I have tried dry shampoo from this brand before, and I think it's good. Dry shampoo is dry shampoo. It has a clean scent. So it's not the floral, fruity, really yummy kind, but it's not bad. All right, off to a good start. What do we have here? This here is a 10-piece nail wrap set from a brand called Perfectly Polished. Ooh, created specifically for Macy's. I just don't do my nails, but how cute that they're celebrating Pride Month. All right, next item. What is this? I believe this is going to be a nail polish. Yep. This is from a brand called Mineral Fusion, and the shade is Fast and Fabulous. I find it interesting that they sent nail polish when they gave you stickers. Or do these go hand in hand? I don't know. Does it look like I do my nails? Careful how you answer that. All right, next product. What do we have here? This is, ooh, I see the word watermelon. From the Beauty Crop. It's the Watermelon Brightening Eye Mask. All right, so I do have aging, mature, wrinkly under eyes. Even though I don't wear face masks, I will wear an eye mask. All right, next item. Not only do we have a full-size product, it is makeup. We have from NYX one of their jumbo eye pencils, and this is in the shade Sherbet. I always say Sherbert, but there is no second R. Sherbet. Leave me a comment and let me know if you say Sherbet, Sherbet, or Sherbert. All right. And, oh, by the way, Sherbert is, or Sherbet, now I'm stuck not being able to how to pronounce it, is a, like, shimmery medium pink. You know, if I swatched it, I wouldn't have to try to describe a color. Let's do that. Oh, wow. This here is what I would refer to as a Barbie pink or bubblegum pink. She's pink. All right, next item. Don't know what this is. It's from Buxom. It is full-on plumping lip cream. What the cutest little teeny tiny lip cream sample ever. And it is right up my alley. It's so tiny, I won't feel bad. I'm going to try it. I think it said the word plumping. I'm a little scared, but if I don't like it, oh well. Oh, that smells divine. Very sweet cake battery, cake frosting. Let's get some on my face. Yes, I can feel it, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. All right, I'm going to swatch it because I had like 3 lip products on already, and you weren't quite able to see the shade. It is right there, right up my alley. Beautiful, soft, pinky nude. Not only does it smell good, she tastes good. Not that you should eat your lip products, but you know, sometimes you just can't help it. All right, what was that shade? Because I like it. This here is in the shade White Russian. All right, next item. Yay, finally a perfume sample. This here is from Angel, and it's called Mugler. It's giving me masculine vibes. I'm wondering if this is meant for men. Don't even ask me. Maybe the card will say what the notes are. Oh, apparently the brand is Mugler and the name is Angel. There wasn't anything on here that said the notes. I will float something on screen if I can figure that out. All right, and the last item is also a perfume sample, also from Mugler, and this is Angel Nova. Because it's pink, I presume this is for ladies. The other one might have been as well, but I didn't want to spritz both because then I don't know what smells like what. So let's, we got a slinky going on there. I popped the top when I should have just pressed because she's a little baby sample. So let's see if I spritz if it goes back on. If not, I just broke it. Whew, scared there for a minute. On screen. I don't even know how to describe that scent. Not my favorite. Not bad, but it's, I don't know what I'm picking up on that isn't my jive normally. I don't know if that's patchouli or grass. I don't know. But now I am curious what that other one smells like. Very similar. Whatever that big note is, not digging it. But hey, that's just me. All right, let's recap everything that came in the June box. We got a sample of Angel from Mugler. We got a sample of Angel Nova from Mugler. Got a nail polish from Mineral Fusion. A 10-piece nail wrap set. A set of watermelon brightening eye masks. A jumbo eye pencil from NYX. A dry shampoo sample from Klorane. And an itty bitty teeny weeny plumping lip cream sample from Buxom. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I'm surprised that we got 2 full-size items. I'm going to presume this nail polish is full-size. That's typically how big nail polishes are. As well as the full-size jumbo crayon from NYX. As much as I hate plumping lip glosses, I don't mind this one. It's where I like it to be, at like a 3 and not at an 11. I was excited for 2 seconds to get perfume samples, but these just not my jam. Don't do my nails, but I love a good dry shampoo. And I will use an eye mask. Don't forget the $10 coupon. I'm curious, what was I supposed to get, but didn't get? Oh, the only difference I see isn't like I got a completely different, well, sort of. It was this I was supposed to get from the same brand, same thing, an eye mask, but it was the avocado hydrating, and this is a watermelon brightening mask. It's the only thing I can see. Unless the picture shows a much larger version of the lip plumping. I don't know. I'll have to watch somebody else's unboxing to figure that out. All right. Look at me. Dumb luck guessing, or maybe I do have a nose. So the perfumes do have patchouli, and I think that's what I'm picking up on. I don't know why. I just don't care for patchouli. But this one has juicy raspberry. I love raspberry. Oh, rose petals. Well, add rose petals to patchouli there. That might explain a lot. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP value as best as one can find with a bunch of travel size items. I'm pretty certain the value will be at least $15, but I will find out in editing. All right, give me your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you always thought about getting the Macy's box, or were always from day one pass? I don't know how much longer I'm going to keep this. I'm just waiting for that really good one, which I missed waiting to subscribe, and ever since I've subscribed, where's the beauty bag? Where's that extra special item? But you know when it's going to come? The month after I cancel. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.